I'm Vieira here with the Stock Market Live.tv. Before the end of the year, I would like to have a few comments for those that they listen to my advice in the markets. Today we are going to discuss this company Ubiquity, which Citron Research said that it was a pure case of fraud and therefore that the share price will be worth zero. Well, I had the opportunity to explain this to investors worldwide, in real time also recommending to buy shares of this company. You have the video on YouTube, on social media, not only on YouTube, on Facebook. We had also live streaming complementary sessions discussing this company more in detail. I'm referring here to this video that you have on the YouTube. The stock or the share price was trading at $60. You had the opportunity to buy below this price. So I started buying shares at $55. Today, and by the way, it is strongly recommended to read the article that you have on the blog of the company, precisely discussing this company. There are several, but one of them is the title, the article is this one here. By the way, you also have here one of the complementary recommendations during the course of 2017, quadrupling the investment position in Nvidia at $100 in real time on Twitter. And the title is Billionaire and Stock Market Legend Does Not See Losses for 20 Years. And this is where you find the video with regards to Ubiquity Research and Analysis versus Citron Research scam on CNBC. So for those that they wanted to see the confirmation of it, it's pretty simple. You have it here live on the tape. Today, new all-time highs in shares of this company. And I also strongly recommend to refer to the investment lessons that you have in the investor's course, okay? So once again, congratulations for all those that they listened to my comments. I already referred to Citron Research, I don't know, 100 times. Citron Research, in particular, their CEO, Andrew Left, is that one instead of Ubiquity Research. It is in fact a case of fraud, is a convicted criminal, is a scammer, and above all is a terrorist. A terrorist, a financial terrorist. A terrorist is not only one that has the concept or definition of terrorist, is also one individual who continuously inflicts losses in every single investor following his advice. So this individual, Citron Research, this company, and Andrew Left, it is a material fact evidence that he should be in jail because he has a company selling advice, and every single recommendation in the past 10 years or 20 years, I never seen one working. Therefore, someone, and obviously is American, it could not be French or German or Danish or English. No, the scammer is American. He had to be American, my friends, as I've been explaining this thousands of times. And pretty much this is what I have to say. If then you want to take some profits in Ubiquity Research, that is up to you. I'm very glad for helping people to understand, to comprehend how to invest in the markets, and instead of following the advice of these American scammers, terrorists, as Citron Research, this company, I remind you that sold short Mobile Eye 2 days ahead of the buyout, strong buy here recommendation. In fact, number one stock pick in my course, live technical analysis for one to make at least $1 million. And you also, I refer to Citron Research, I don't know, hundreds of times when they downgraded Intuitive Surgical, one of the best companies in the world and also one of the best stock market performers ever. Okay, And they said that the share price was going to crash, that it was going down to a price of $200. That meanwhile there was a split, so basically corresponds to $40 or so. Okay, so those scammers, the end result is always the same. You lose money in the markets, but that is a decision. It is up to you. Again, thank you. I leave you here with the quote in Wikipedia search. Bye bye, and Happy New Year.